Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics quickly: battery above 20% and devices within 10 meters. Once done, turn off airplane mode and toggle Bluetooth off then on. This resets temporary radio faults. If the Bluetooth icon is missing or won't respond, restart both devices to clear hung services. Make sure to disable any battery saver or privacy mode that blocks scanning. Now you've completed the first actionable steps to force the system to reinitialize its Bluetooth stack. You should next remove stale pairings because cached profiles often block reconnection. Forget the device on both sides, then attempt pairing again. On a computer, open Device Manager to update or reinstall the Bluetooth driver. Reinstalling forces Windows to reload the adapter service. On phones, clear the Bluetooth cache or perform a network settings reset to restore default stacks. If you use a USB Bluetooth dongle, unplug and replug it, or try a different USB port to rule out power issues. Finally, verify the adapter is enabled in System Services or BIOS/UEFI. Sometimes firmware toggles disable the radio. You can boot into safe mode or test pairing with a different phone to isolate whether software or hardware causes the failure. Once confirmed, consider a factory reset on the failing device or replace the internal adapter or USB dongle. If things still go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: test with a known good device. If that also fails, the adapter hardware or antenna is
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.